Yo, what's up guys? CJ na naman and today, ang gusto ko lang pag-usapan is allowing yourself to grow. You have to allow yourself to grow. And what I mean by that is every time na feel mong kailangan mo mag-take ng risk, every time na kailangan mong gumawa ng mga bagay na sa tingin mong ikakasaya mo, no, I think that's growth para sa akin. You have to take risks even if you don't want to, no. Even na sa tingin mong magfi-fail ka, you just have to try it. And I could tell you, ever since I started posting videos, ever since I started making content, I've always felt this growth na hindi ko talaga ma-explain eh. Kasi para sa akin, I've always wanted to make videos, no? I've always wanted to start something na sa tingin kong makapagpasaya sa akin. And I do think ang daming tao ngayon na hirap silang mag-build ng courage to actually start something. Kasi they're too afraid that they might get judged. They're too afraid na baka pumalpak lang sila, no? Pero in reality kasi kapag hindi mo ginawa yung isang bagay, mas magastos yung pakiramdam na nire-regret mong hindi gawin yung mga bagay na yun, no? Siguro para sa akin, kung hindi ko in-start tong YouTube channel na to, I would feel stuck. I would still feel lost and I would still feel na parang hindi ako masaya sa buhay ko. Pero right now, as I am doing this, posting these videos, I've always felt na parang meron akong purpose. Kasi what if I didn't take that risk, no? What if I didn't post any videos in the first place? I would still feel stuck. I would still feel like a loser and parang hindi ko pa rin talaga alam kung ano yung gagawin ko. So, allow yourself to grow. Allow yourself to experience things na sa tingin mong mahirap para sa'yo. No? Kasi in that way, doon mo lang marirealize yung kagandahan ng struggle. Be the one that dictates your life. Be the one who creates your own reality. And you have to create a reality na sa tingin mong magiging masaya ka. And the thing is, if you want to create your own reality, you gotta experience suffering. You gotta experience suffering in order to gain the most beautiful things in life. Kasi how would you know the true meaning of happiness? How would you know the true meaning of success if you don't know the true meaning of suffering? And yun yung lagi nag-stuck sa akin, no? Na if you don't allow yourself to suffer, if you don't allow yourself to grow, you will live a completely meaningless life. And the worst thing is, you only get to live once. Isang beses ka lang talaga mabubuhay. No second chances, no rebirth, walang reset. Like, hindi mo pwedeng buhayin ulit yung buhay mo ngayon. So habang andito ka pa, it's never too late to let yourself grow. It's never too late to change. It's never too late to do the things that you really want. No? May isang sinabi si Socrates na nabasa ko lang rin nung nagsimula akong magbasa ng philosophy. No? And ang sinabi niya is, there's only one good, and that is knowledge. And one evil, ignorance. And that really stuck with me, to be honest. Kasi if I became too ignorant to start something, kung lagi kong nine-neglect yung opportunity ng growth ko, I wouldn't even feel happy about myself. No? I would still hate myself. I would still question myself na bakit walang nangyayaring maganda sa akin. Bakit wala pa rin ako sa situation na gusto ko. And I don't think na magiging kontento ako sa buhay ko if I became too ignorant to experience things, to gain knowledge, and to just experience suffering. No? And I have to say na you could be living or you could just be existing. Kasi para sa akin, those are two completely different things. If you just simply exist, no, nandito ka lang para mabuhay. Nandito ka lang para huminga. And that way, you don't really have a purpose in life. No? Parang hinaantay mo lang na mamatay ka. And that is not the life worth living. Kasi para sa akin, living your life and allowing yourself to grow is the only way to live a happy life. So, yun lang. Actually, hindi ko talaga feel gumawa ng video today since parang nababurnout rin ako. Pero I have a lot in mind na gusto kong i-share sa video na to. And, I just did it anyway. So, anyway, thank you guys for watching. And I'm really happy that I got to post these videos and 31 subscribers. And I have been seeing a lot of engagement sa mga videos ko, and, I think my previous video got 100 views, so I'm really happy with that. So, Thank you guys for watching. Kung sino man kayo, no, stay up, God bless, and peace.